Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today I found these at the Goodwill, or one of the other ones, Thrifty Bargain, for $1.99. I think they look really cool, clear. One's got a sun and one's got a heart. Anyways, we'll be doing that right now. So first I want to take these and shoot them with some clear coat, so that this is plaster Paris, so it doesn't come off in the mold. And then we'll cut the cans. Yeah. Cut the cans, stick them in there. We're going to reuse our molds from a couple of episodes ago. And here we go. Right, we're gonna let that dry for a minute. I should have cleaned them up maybe first. Whoops. Oh no. Oh, that's right. We were gonna clean it up and then spray paint it. Alright. And we'll be right. Oh man. Wait, except for this part. Hey, be very careful with aluminum and knives. Both can cut. And it can kill. Alright, now let's get some of our remolded ComposiMold in there. And here it is, fresh out of the microwave. We got some floaty stuff in there, so we're just going to strain it out real quick. And we've avoided all of that getting into our mold. Now we'll put in the other half of the Ninja Turtle mold. Stick that back in the micro. Man, it's at this point of almost all casting that I remember Bubble Buster by ComposiMold. You're supposed to spray that on before you start making your mold, but I forgot, so you know, here we go. We got a billion bubbles. Look at that. That is horrendous. This is, oh no, and it's leaking. Alright. Never seen that many bubbles before. It could be because of the plaster Paris. I didn't get it all covered. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Oh no. So, the stuff that leaked out on the table is all hardened up here. So, let's get this off and remelt it and finish the mold. Oh, and it instantly goes all over. Why are you doing that? Stop doing that. Hello and welcome back. It's actually been a couple of weeks. These have been in here. The cold weather really slows down the resin cure time. I don't know why, but I got busy doing the Night Rider and some other stuff. So anyways, let's get to the demolding. Not a bad likeness. Came out frosted. I think we're going to hit this with some clear coat. Let's see. Depending on the material you use, you'll either get a frosted look or a transparent look. Clear coat can sometimes fix that. A little bit of flashing. Trim that up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna clear coat this one, and then we'll compare them. All right. Well, it cleared up a little bit. Not a whole lot. We could shoot the... We could shoot the mold with a clear coat and recast it, and it might give it a real shine to it. But I don't think I want to wait a couple more days. So anyways, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day now, alright? Bye-bye! Oh, hey, you know what? Another thing you could do is paint it if you wanted to. You could paint the wings or the hair, leave parts of it clear, do some gold. Kind of cool. Anyways, bye-bye.